Namaste, my friends. Welcome to this hands-free standing yoga poses only yoga flow. For this flow, you don't need a yoga mat, so it's perfect when you're traveling, on the go, or even when you have a break at your office. So we will begin right away by standing up tall, feet are hip-width apart. Take a big belly breath in through your nose. Circle your arms up with your palms facing up. As you exhale, bend your knees generously and fold forward. Come all the way down, hinging from your hips. Feel the weight of your head, relax your neck, and feel free to hold on to your opposite elbows for a ragdoll pose. Breathe deeply and allow your spine to lengthen even more with each exhale. And you can also sway gently from side to side, back and forth, to create even more space in your spine. Empty your head. Take nice, long, deep in and exhales. And then release your hands. Then inhale, slide your palms up your shins or thighs. Come up halfway for a half sun salutation. Exhale to lower down. Inhale, come up all the way, sweeping your arms down, around, and up. Then exhale, fold forward again. Inhale, hands on your shins or thighs, come up halfway. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come up all the way. And exhale, fold forward. Last one, inhale, come up halfway. Exhale to lower down. Inhale, come up all the way. As you exhale, let your palms kiss and draw your hands down in Namaskar Mudra in front of your heart, prayer position. Nicely done. And take a nice deep cleansing breath in and out through your nose. Then place your hands on your hips and step your feet out a little bit wider than your hips with your knees pointing in the same direction as your big toes. Then bend your knees, and you might have to adjust your stance here. So just check with yourself, check your knees, check your feet. Get comfortable, and then as you breathe in, circle your arms up, straighten your legs for a three-pointed star. As you breathe out, bend your knees, lower your arms down. Again, inhale, straighten your legs, lift your arms up, synchronize breath with movement. Exhale, bend your knees as you lower your arms down. Inhale, circle your arms up, straighten your legs. Exhale, bend your knees, circle your arms down. Last one, inhale, circle your arms up, three-pointed star. Now as you exhale, bend your knees for goddess pose and take cactus arm position. Firm your core by drawing your navel in and up. Open your chest, keep breathing so your legs are strong, steady. And then as you inhale, slightly arch your spine. As you exhale, bring your hands and elbows together. We'll do 3 more. Inhale to open, squeeze your shoulder blades towards each other. Exhale to close, move your shoulder blades away from one another, chin to your chest. Inhale, open, look up. Exhale, close, chin to your chest, rounding your spine. Last one. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Well done. Inhale, open up, hold it. Take a deep breath. You probably feel the burn here in your legs. I sure am. Good job, yogi. And release. Straighten out your legs, stretch your whole body out, shake it out. Alright, so place your hands on your hips again. Come back into goddess pose. We're not done here yet. Make sure that your knees are pointing in the same direction as your big toes. Then hold on to your thighs right above your knees. Thumbs are pointing forward. Take a deep breath in. We're going to do a nice shoulder stretch. Exhale. Bring your right shoulder forward, slightly twisting your chest to your left. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, bring your left shoulder forward, twisting to your right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, bring your right shoulder forward. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, twist to your right, bring your left shoulder forward. Inhale, come back to center. We'll do the same, holding the stretch a little bit longer. Exhale, twist your chest to your left. Right shoulder is forward. Breathe deeply. Then inhale, come back to center. Exhale, other side. Take long, slow, deep breaths in and out through your nose. Nice. Then inhale, come back to center. And then release. Place your hands on your hips. Straighten out your legs. We're going to adjust our stance. So your right foot is now parallel, pointing your right toes forward. Your left toes are pointing towards your left. Bend your right knee. And you can place your hands on your right thigh right above your right knee. Look at your left foot and make sure that you're flexing your left foot, pointing your left toes up. Take a deep breath. So you'll probably feel a stretch here in your left adductor muscles in your left groin area. Then we'll add a twist. Inhale. Reach your right arm up, twisting your chest towards your right side. And take a deep breath. Exhale. Lower your right hand down. Come back to center. And then release. We'll switch sides. So now this time, turn your left foot parallel. Left toes are pointing forward. And turn your right foot towards the right. So your right toes are pointing towards your right. Flex your right foot. Bend your left knee. Place your hands on your left thigh right above your left knee. So feel that stretch in your adductor muscles, your right groin area. Take a deep breath. And then let's add that twist. So keep your right hand on your left thigh. As you inhale, reach your left arm up. Twist your chest towards your left side. And take a nice deep breath. And exhale, release. Lower your left hand down. Place your hands on your hips, straighten out your legs. Feel free to shake it out. Next, we will be doing a wide-legged standing forward bend. So make sure that your feet are parallel and slightly with pigeon toes. Then place your hands on your hips. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward from your hips. Come all the way down. You can soften your knees and remember to breathe. Then we're going to add a twist. So place your left hand on the ground in the midline, or left fingertips on the ground. Then as you inhale, reach your right arm up, twist your chest towards your right side, and take a deep breath. Exhale, lower your right hand down, place it where your left fingertips were. Then inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, twist, turn your chest to your left. Take a deep breath. And then lower your left hand down as you exhale. Inhale, place your hands on your hips. Breathe out. Fold a little bit deeper. Relax your neck. Then on your next inhale, bend your knees and with a flat back, come all the way up. And then slowly and mindfully place your feet together. Keep your right foot where it is. Bring your left leg behind your right leg. And place the ball of your left foot on the ground so your left heel is up. Bend your right knee so you can soften and bend your right knee. Inhale, reach your left arm up. So you'll probably already feel a side body stretch here on your left side. To go a little bit deeper, you can grab hold of your left wrist with your right hand. So go as far as you can go. Make sure you find your balance. And also, don't forget to breathe. Take a nice deep breath. Then inhale, come back to center. Exhale, fold forward. It's another nice juicy stretch. So your arms are coming back and up. Then as you inhale, come back to center. Place your hands on your hips. and place your feet together to switch sides. So keep your left foot where it is, bring your right leg behind your left leg, place the ball of your right foot on the ground, right heel is up, bend your left knee. So find that steadiness, find balance. Inhale, reach your right arm up. You can stay here, option 1. Second option, a little bit more intense. Bring your left arm up and with your left hand, hold on to your right wrist. Breathe deeply into your side body stretch. Great. And then as you inhale, keep your feet where they are, but just bring your upper body back to center. Exhale, fold forward. Bring your arms along your body and slightly up. Take a deep breath. Then inhale, come back to center. Transitioning slowly and mindfully. Place your hands on your hips and then your feet together. Stand up tall. Keep your left foot on the ground. Inhale, bring your right knee up, flex your right foot, and draw 3 circles with your right foot, just rolling out your ankle. And then also switch direction. So holding balance and at the same time warming up your ankle. Good. Now bring your right foot towards the back for a quad stretch. Keep your knees together and then with your right hand hold on to your right ankle. Gently stretch your quad. Hold balance. Breathe. Well done. And release. Place your right foot down. Inhale. Bring your left knee up. Hold on to your left knee. Flex your left foot and draw 3 circles into one direction. Rolling out your left ankle. And then draw 3 circles into the other direction. So holding your balance, keep your core firm, breathe deeply. Well done. And then release. Kick your left heel towards the back. Grab hold of your left ankle with your left hand for your quad stretch on your left side. So you can keep your right hand on your right hip. Take a deep breath. Make sure that your knees are together. Don't let your left knees splay out. Well done. And release. The following exercise is a really nice energizing breathing exercise, and I'm going to turn this way so you can see better. First, I'll show you the arm movements. You'll be inhaling in 3 parts. So inhale, arms forward. Inhale, arms to the sides. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, let it go. So here we go. You can follow me. Inhale 1/3 of the way, arms forward like you're a zombie. Inhale 2/3 of the way, arms to the sides. Inhale all the way, reach your arms up. Exhale out through your mouth, fold forward, let it all go. And again, inhale 1/3, arms forward. Inhale 2/3, arms to the sides. Inhale all the way, arms up. Exhale, release. Inhale, 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 exhale, let it go. Inhale, 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 exhale, let it go. Inhale, inhale, inhale. So keep going, have fun with it. You can go faster, slower. It's really energizing. And also imagine that you're a music director, so you can loosen up your arms a little bit. Have fun with it. And then make it your last one. Once you're exhaling and in your standing forward bend, stay there. Bend your knees generously. Allow your breath to settle. And then feel free to place your fingertips on the ground or hold on to your shins with your hands. Bend your right knee, straighten out your left leg. Then bend your left knee, straighten out your right leg. Keep going, keep alternating, just gently warming up your hamstrings in your standing forward bend. When your left knee is bent, straighten out your right leg and place your left hand on your left thigh, shin, foot, or you can place your left fingertips on the ground. You can also place your left elbow on your left thigh. Choose the option that works best for you. Then inhale, reach your right arm up, twist your chest open towards your right side, and take a few deep cleansing breaths. in your standing forward bend with a twist. And exhale, release to switch sides. So bend your right knee, straighten out your left leg, right hand or elbow on your right thigh. Then inhale, reach your left arm up, twisting your chest to your left. Taking deep breaths. Nicely done, and release. Back into your standing forward bend. Take a moment in ragdoll pose. You can hold on to your opposite elbows, really hinging from your hips, relaxing your neck. Take one deep cleansing breath in and out through your nose. And then slowly release. Release your arms. And then let's close our practice together. As you inhale, come up with a flat back, circle your arms up, gathering all the love, light, and positive energy, and draw it into your whole being. Exhale, unite your palms and draw your hands down in Namaskar Mudra in front of your heart. And then take a moment to acknowledge and thank yourself for doing your yoga practice, taking care of your health and well-being, with or without a mat, taking your yoga practice wherever you are. And thank you so much for joining me. May this practice be a blessing to you. From my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Start your day feeling blissful with a free Blissful Morning Guide. Get yours by clicking the first link below in the description box. Just enter your first name and email and I'll send it to you right away. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for free yoga and meditation videos every Tuesday. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what your favorite part was and how this video went for you. And I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye for now.